Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's get started. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. First thing we have to do is that's the bulb. We have to take off two clips to access it. Put the screwdriver right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out. Once the middle part of that clip is out, just pull the entire clip out. Now once it's loose like this, just grab the clip and off it comes. Repeat the process for the other one. Get the middle part out, then grab the entire clip. This gives you access to the bulb. The bulb is right there. Just grab the bulb, twist to the left and get it out. The wire length is long enough that you can get the bulb entirely out of there, and now you can access comfortably. Grab the bulb with one hand, press down the electrical connector just the way I'm showing, and then pull it off the bulb. The bulb size is H16. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now let's just go ahead, get the electrical connector and get it back on the bulb holder, click it in place. And now when you're putting it back in the light, you have to make sure it's sitting in flush. This is not flush right there, see, it's sticking out. If you try to twist it right, it will not go in place properly. Good. Once it sits in like this, now twist it right to lock it and you are done. This is good. Get this cover back in place. Get the middle part of the clip off of it completely. Just get the outer part, get that in place first. Align the two holes there, push it in place, then put the middle part in and then push it down all the way to secure it. Repeat the process for the other clip. Get the outer part of the clip in first. Once that's in place, get the middle part and push it in to secure the clip, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is now repeat the process for the other one. That's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. That's looking good, and that's pretty much it.